Hi, hello there. My name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we are reviewing the palette that broke the internet. The oh so coveted Raw Beauty Kristi X Pure Cosmetics palette. I waited online for the first initial launch and I ended up not getting it. It launched on Ulta.com. It ended up selling out before I could get it. Now Ulta has launched it on their website for a second time and I was able to get it this second time around. This palette is currently sold out on Ulta.com. I believe it's also sold out on Pure Cosmetics website. I don't know if they're going to be restocking it. I know, very sad. This palette was retailing for $36. So this palette is basically reversible in a sort of way. It's like each side has a different sort of color story. Altogether, you're getting 16 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades. One side is a really pretty neutral side and the other side is an amazing colorful side. I absolutely love the artwork on here. I love the kitty cats and the coffee cups and the little heart-shaped hands. I think this is just a super personal, well thought out palette and I really appreciate Kristi for taking the time to really put her heart and soul into this, because you can really tell she put a lot of heart into this just based off the packaging and the launch video that she made with this. And I am fully aware that I am probably the last person to review this palette. However, I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. So if you'd like to see how to get this look and my thoughts and opinions on the Raw Beauty X Pure Cosmetics palette, then keep on watching. Alright, so as you can probably tell, I did already go ahead and do my full face of makeup so we can get right into the eyeshadows. Man, looking at this palette, I am just so inspired. All the shades in here are absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna swatch this shade Golden Ticket. Ooh. Very nice. I also want to swatch this shade Cafe Disco. It's a really pretty silver color. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, these are stunning. So first impressions, this pink shade Side Effect is a lot brighter than what I thought it was gonna be. It is definitely way brighter of a pink in person than it is in pictures and other people's videos. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna create a nice neutral look today. Yeah? Okay. These colors are just so pretty. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to take is the shade Camelot on a Poreless Los Angeles L18 brush. I'm going to put this in my crease and use it as the transition shade. And I did already go ahead and prime my eyes with my little raw eyeshadow primer base. Alright, now with the same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Copper Boxes and place this right below where I placed the shade Camelot. Alright, so far so good. I think I'm going to take the shade B on a little Poreless Los Angeles L19 brush and I'm going to place this right in the outer corner and bring it a little bit into the crease. Now I'm taking a Morphe M456 brush and just lightly blending it out. Now I'm dipping a little bit into the shade You're Not My Real Dad on a MAC 213 brush and just lightly placing this on the very outer corner. Okay, so now for the lower lash line. Alright, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to dip into the shades Camelot and Copper boxes and place this right on the lower lash line with a Morphe M506 brush. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade You're Not My Real Dad on a Morphe M124 brush and just stamp this all along the outer corner. Okay, so y'all know I really have to go into this shade Golden Ticket. So I'm going to take this shade on a Morphe M152 brush and just place this all over the center of my lid. This is without even wetting the brush. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, so I am thoroughly impressed with that shimmer shade. Whoa, I'm just gonna wet the brush a little bit, but it definitely did an amazing job without even wetting the brush. A plus Golden Ticket. Now I'm just going back in with my Laura Los Angeles L18 brush and just lightly cleaning it up a little bit. Now I'm just going to take a teeny tiny hint of the shade Lumos on my Laura Los Angeles L16 brush and lightly place this on the inner corner. Now for the very inner corner, I'm dipping into this shade Cafe Disco, this absolutely beautiful silver color. And I'm going to place this right on my inner corner with my L16 brush. Whoa. Holy smokes. This is beautiful. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, come back, show you guys the final look, and give you my thoughts and opinions on the Pure X Raw Beauty Kristi palette. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely love the way this came together. This eyeshadow look is just so pretty. It's such a good everyday look and I'm absolutely living for it. So, as far as the Raw Beauty Kristi X Pure Cosmetics palette goes, believe all the hype that you hear about this palette because it is phenomenal. I only spent 10 minutes creating this eye look today, so I'm sorry if this video is really short. These eyeshadows are just bomb the house. They're so good. I did have a little bit of fallout with the yellow shade Camelot and with the shade Copper boxes. However, that happens with almost any sort of eyeshadow palette. I only got to use 2 shades from the colorful palette today, the shades Cafe Disco and Lumos. However, they were excellent, amazing, phenomenal. So if they do end up restocking this palette and you want a really good palette for the occasional colorful look or an everyday staple, I would highly recommend this to you. Let me know if you guys would like to see more looks using this palette because I could definitely create some bomb looks with this colorful side. However, for today I just thought I would keep it neutral Nelly. But sound off in the comments if you were able to pick this up, if you love this palette. Let me know. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything that I have on my face will be linked in the description box down below, as well as all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it.